From the next adventure. Greetings. In the midst of the hustle and bustle of modern life, the urge for unrestricted movement contends with sustainability and beauty. A revolutionary idea that reinvents adventure is the 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome. This prototype vehicle has zero emissions without sacrificing functionality thanks to Honda's innovative electric van design. A next-generation solid-state battery pack and Honda's state-of-the-art E/N architecture electric motor, which can drive up to 500 kilometers (WLTP) between charges, provide the motorhome's impressive combined power output. Clean lines and futuristic aerodynamics, two aspects of Honda's man maximum, machine minimum design philosophy, are included into the exterior design. Energy efficiency is maximized by the solar panel's smooth integration onto the roof. The car's large aerodynamic wheels give it a smooth and efficient road appearance, and its adjustable LED headlights and Honda robotics-inspired taillights give it a very contemporary aspect. When you first arrive, the user interface is sleek and simple to use. A curving panoramic touchscreen that shows entertainment, AI-powered navigation, and vehicle information covers the whole dashboard. A clean, distraction-free cockpit is provided by the two-spoke steering wheel and holographic CID, while haptic touch controls subtly and elegantly replace conventional buttons. A spacious, multi-purpose area has been created by carefully using every square inch of the main room. A warm yet modern atmosphere is produced by the use of opulent materials to decorate surfaces, such as sustainable maple wood, recycled vegan leather, and imaginative fabrics. LED ambient lighting may be adjusted to create a range of moods, from bright for work to soft and peaceful for relaxation. The 360-degree swivel and electrically adjustable chairs offer a multitude of living room configurations for both individual and group relaxation. A hidden sleeping area is accessible at night by activating a button. On the wall or floor is a comfortable queen-size bed with a memory foam mattress and organic sheets. The panoramic windows with motorized shutters provide stunning views of the night sky, and an integrated audio system plays soothing natural sounds for a restful night's sleep. The bathroom is small but incredibly functional, offering both style and budget. The walls are made of lightweight, water-resistant composite materials, and the water-saving shower features a motion-activated sensor. Honda's environmentally friendly composting toilet and fold-down sink with automatic tap are two examples of its commitment to sustainability. An anti-fog LED mirror and a hidden storage container complete the area. The center of your culinary adventure is the versatile kitchen. A two-burner induction cooktop is seamlessly integrated into the elegant quartz countertop. An energy-efficient refrigerator and a pull-out freezer help preserve fresh food. A dual-filtration water dispenser, a compact convection oven/microwave, and ingenious dishware storage make cooking every meal easy and enjoyable. The 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome is more than simply a vehicle. It is a representation of self-reliance, ingenuity, and commitment to sustainability. This suggests that your next trip will be both fashionable and environmentally responsible.